Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your WhatsApp notification history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I will show you this on both your iPhone and Android. First, let's walk through how to see WhatsApp notification history on an iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in your settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage all the notifications for apps installed on your iPhone. Once you open Notifications, you will see a list of all the apps on your device that are capable of sending notifications. The first thing you want to do is ensure that notifications are enabled for WhatsApp. So go ahead and scroll through the list of apps until you find WhatsApp. Once you're located, tap on WhatsApp to open the App Store notification settings. In the WhatsApp notification settings, make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. If it's disabled, you won't receive any notifications for WhatsApp messages, and they won't be recorded for later review, so be sure to toggle the switch on. You will also want to scroll down and check all the notification settings, such as the notification alerts type. I recommend selecting the banner style, which shows your notifications at the top of your screen and keeps them visible for a brief time. You can also set notifications to appear in the notification center, which will let you review them later if you missed them initially. To do this, make sure that Notification Center is selected under the Alert section. Once this is set up, you should be receiving WhatsApp notifications as they come in. If you ever miss one, you can simply swipe down from the top of your screen and open the Notification Center to view any recent WhatsApp messages you might have missed. The Notification Center is your best bet for reviewing all the notifications on iPhone, since it gathers notifications from all your apps in one place. One important tip is to go into individual app settings like WhatsApp or other messaging apps, and make sure those notifications are enabled there as well. This ensures that your iPhone is set up properly to display all relevant certifications, not just for WhatsApp but across the board. Now let's move on to Android. Since there are many different manufacturers of Android devices, these steps can differ slightly depending on which phone you're using. But don't worry, the general process is the same across most devices. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. At the top of the Settings app, you'll find a search bar. Use this search bar to type notifications and search for the notification settings page. Once you find it, tap on it to open the main notification settings. Here, tap on Apps Notifications option. Once you tap on this, you will see a list of apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp to access its notification settings. Here you want to make sure that notifications are enabled. Check that the Allow Notifications toggle is turned on. If it's off, you won't receive any notifications from WhatsApp, so this step is crucial. Next, scroll down and go to Notification Categories option. This is where you can manage the specific types of notifications for WhatsApp messages. Make sure that all the options like message notifications, group notifications, and call notifications are toggled on. This will ensure that all types of messages from WhatsApp, including one-on-one chats, group messages, and incoming calls are set to notify you. It's also important to check the setting for notification visibility. This setting controls whether the contents of your notifications is shown on the lock screen. If you want to be able to see WhatsApp messages when your phone is locked, make sure to set this to show. If you prefer more privacy, you can set it to hide sensitive content, which will show that the message has arrived but hide the details. While the exact path may differ slightly depending on the brand of your phone. The key is ensuring that WhatsApp notifications are enabled and configured correctly in the notification settings. So that's basically how you can see your WhatsApp notification history. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.